Hey world! Welcome viewers! In this replay clip, we wanted to find the value of this expression 29 divided by 1 over 95 then times 95. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 95 divided by 95 which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 29 divided by 1 equals 29. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 29 divided by 1 over 95. To do this division, write down the 29 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 95 over 1, which gives 95. And here again we have times 95. 29 times 95 gives us 2,755. So 2,755 times 95, which equals 261,725. And so our final answer to this problem is just 261,725. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe for more fun.